Hey guys, today I want to show you this wireless sports headband where you can play music. Right here it has the on and off button with the dial to turn up and turn down the volume. And then you can see feel right here that the head pieces are right here. And this is also cool because you can also wash it. If it gets dirty, you just have to make sure you take out all of the electronical wiring and stuff. And this is just perfect if you want to go out on a run or go to just sleep in or really anything, because it's with other headphones or earbuds, they can irritate my ears and give me headaches, but this doesn't. So I can wear it as long as you want and listen to whatever you want. And yeah, now I'll show you what it looks like on. It's really easy to put on and take off and to connect to your phone and to charge. So now I'm going to do a few activities like yoga and stuff, and I'll show you what it looks like.